Carbohydrates are an essential part of any diet. We need them to live. They're in almost everything we eat. They're in all fruits, vegetables, grains, and even dairy. And most processed foods are loaded with carbs. Carbs provide our body with energy. They're one great source of fuel. When we take in too many carbs, then we have fuel to spare, and our body stores that as excess fat. Let's break that down. Carbohydrates are made of sugar molecules. Simple carbohydrates like glucose, fructose, fruit sugar, and sucrose, table sugar, need almost no digesting. They can enter the bloodstream immediately, and therefore are a fast source of energy. Complex carbohydrates contain starches that are composed of longer chains of sugars. They provide a longer-lasting energy source as well as fiber and nutrients. Our bodies break down complex carbs into glucose, the sugar that is the primary fuel that our cells burn to give us energy. When we refer to good carbs, we mean carbs, usually complex carbs, that are as close to their natural state as possible, that is, unrefined. Good carbs are good because in addition to the carbs, they contain nutrients we need, like vitamins, minerals, and a range of phytonutrients. Bad carbs are considered bad because of one of two things. They are simple sugars, like the ones in sodas and candy, or they're complex carbs that have been refined, stripped of all that good stuff during processing. These bad carbs are found in foods like cakes, cookies, and crackers, as well as in white flour and white bread. Another example of a bad carb is white rice. It begins as a whole grain of brown rice whose outer layers contain healthy fiber, vitamins, and minerals. During refinement, however, this nutritious outer portion is removed and the brown rice is transformed into white rice. What's left of the grain is the inside, just a starchy white center. Basically, our body sees it as a little ball of sugar. That sugar is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream and rapidly raises blood sugar levels. We need sugar, but only in combination with all those other good things. Don't be fooled by labels that say enriched. The enrichment process adds back only 5 nutrients to refined flour, but all the other nutrients from the whole grain are still lost. So eat good carbs. You can satisfy your sweet tooth by eating fruit. Choose flour, breads, cereals, and pasta made of whole grains. Look for the words whole grain or whole wheat, and it should be the first ingredient listed. Good carbs tend to be high in fiber and will keep you fuller longer. For a healthy, balanced diet, eat carbs that are whole in nature. Our bodies do best with whole foods as nature intended it. After all, Mother Nature is pretty smart.